fog computing is foggy to many people. And sometimes when people ask the question, okay, so can you explain me what is fog computing? The answer that they get is, well, fog computing is like cloud computing, but closer to the things. And this definition is evocative, but it's not very precise. So let's try to understand a little bit better what fog computing is. So fog computing is about bringing high performance, elastic compute, storage, and communication toward the edge. And why do we want to do that? Well, we want to do that because you want to actually gain and have and enjoy the same benefits that we have ripped out of cloud computing architectures on the edge. So are there any challenges or differences? Of course there are. And what are the differences? Well, when you are on the edge, all of a sudden you interact with cyber-physical system. And very often your reaction time have to be compatible with the dynamics of the system you are controlling. So you might be controlling a robot arm, you might be controlling a car or interacting with a car. So although you want to bring the beauty of virtualization, the beauty of virtualized storage and compute, there are some unique peculiarities and challenges that have to be addressed in order to make that feasible and effective on the edge. Fog computing as a concept has been around for roughly the past 2 years. It was introduced by Flavio Bonomi, who was working for Cisco back then, and eventually gained quite a bit of traction as indeed the architectural paradigm to address the challenges that I was mentioning before. In the past 2 years, obviously, lots of awareness has been created around fog computing, and the latest example was the creation of the Fog Computing Consortium. And very often I get the question asked, is fog computing real or is it just a movement? But the truth is that we have already demonstrated the first fog computing system. As of today, we have demonstrated in Barcelona, along with Cisco and a few other very innovative companies, the first fog computing platform applied into a smart city infrastructure. And recently, actually, we have proven that the term is not just slideware or paper, but is a very effective architectural style in implementing Internet of Things architecture. With Cisco and a series of other very innovative companies, we have built the first fog computing infrastructure, and we have used that infrastructure to actually host some of the key smart city services in Barcelona. And that was extremely successful, just in terms of the functionality we were delivering, as well as the overall simplification in the management and upgrade that we were providing to the smart city infrastructure. Besides that, all those advantages that you would typically ascribe and associate with cloud computing were provided without degrading the performance, nor the interactivity or the real-time behavior of some of the application, which is key with respect to ensuring that the city continues to operate in a safe manner, or at least some city services like lighting and traffic control can operate safely. So as a bottom line, fog computing not only is a very interesting concept, but is a concept that has been indeed proved in real systems.